Unconstitutional oi amadi India ki citizen ama oibagi fundamental rights sing Matpani Haina MP Bimol Akoijam na Phongdokkhre Manipur gi inner member of parliament Akoijam Bimol angomchana mahaki mayumda pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada makha tana hai mafam aduda atopa phurup ki miyoi sing changthok sangchen tawbada akaiba athingba laite adubu maitei phurup ki miyoi sing di amata changba yadana lairi thorong asi hakchina lawi masamaki constituency da masamakna changba yadaba si fundamental right matpani mafam adu Churachandpur district ki natte Bishnupur district ki manung chali amadi inner Manipur constituency ki manung chali bani kanagumana Churachandpur da changi honai haina mahakpo maral sirabadi madu achauba aranba ma oigini haina Phongdokhi amadi MP amana mahaki constituency da changnaba hotnabada athingba pirakpa haibisi India ki history da amukta thokidriba thodok amani maramaduna mipum khudimakna hairiba athingba si Thugaiba mathau tai MP na mitai oibagi changba yadaba mafam asi karigidamak mari leinaba singa buffer zone ni haina laukthoktribagi maram karigino haina mahakna pendaba sing Phongdokhi
army laina unit achamnam kamaina adu tana laga on the spot of the moment have not of the minimum ne kana mai thage no kai say if you akoi ningsang bio ba say any oras adai da khajalam ba potu da numitu da tang hu adai da khagi bu na uji amado naturalize and normalize or ga border ki type da khar ga thami do kari gi no see akoi niyam punam mon akoi ki psychology da mase akoi yabham thokte please do not normalize and legitimize these illegal unconstitutional imaginary line based on communal identity sangbayai khaido isa it is nothing you are supporting communal forces which want to destroy Manipur and divide Manipur on the basis of communal ideologies and communal identity. And I, as a member of parliament of a secular republic, as a member of parliament representing this place, is on my constituency, is unacceptable. Not only is sad, a saddening event, but it is unacceptable. And this will not be the last time that I will be requesting the authorities to allow me to enter that place and check. And I'm repeating it. I'm only asking for checking that PHOUGAKCHAO IKHAI Makalekai Kathel, which is also called Gangbai Bazar now. And that was not the last time. I'm saying it that we need to have a clarity about this. State security forces and legitimate forces in China must encourage the woman to submanana puba lagi cases you. I went to the spot. Why did I go? I want to check it. Psychological barrier am to go.